Hi! Today I will show you how to calculate your GST refund using MyGST Refund app. First go to MyGST Refund app. Click on Register Now. If you are a new user or if you are an existing user, just log in with the desired information. After logging in, the dashboard screen will be shown like this. Go to Setup option. Click on Business, select account from which you have to log in. Enter company details like name, PAN, GSTN, then click on Submit. After submitting the details, go to Refund Calculator. Fill the required details. GSTN, refund type, select the time period, then click on Calculate. Your estimated refund calculation will be shown on screen. And also, if you want to download the report of estimated refund calculation, you can do it from India's first automated GST refund platform. If you have any question or need further assistance, आप हमारी expert team को contact कर सकते हैं.